Three, two, one.
Again. I'll show you how to swim.
Is that how you swim?
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo! What's Julie doing? Yeah, we're looking at you. Wow! Oh, I was watching you guys too. Do you feel better, Julie? Yeah. You gonna bite it? Julie, what are you gonna do?
This is small too. Look how I do.
Oh, you're getting me wet, so I don't want to be wet. Remember, squish it really hard. Make it pop. What are you gonna do?
Hey, these are all my water balloons.
You gonna bite it?
Stop taking mine. That's just only for boys. Take the single balloon. That's a purple one.
What are you guys doing? Oh no! Not on mommy. Not on mommy. Not on mommy.
It's fun.
Baby, do you want to try to bite one?
No.
Oh, Julie did it! That's a tiny squirt. Yeah. Water balloon. No! No, don't do it on me. No. What are you gonna do, Julius? Woo. I don't want to bite one.
Please.
I'm gonna squish it. You
No,
ready?
no.
You ready?
Let me bite one.
You bite one. You do it. Let's get this on video. You do it on video. You clapped it off. Remember? Squish it.
My turn.
You have a pink one on your neck. Woo!
See, look.
Please, not on mommy.
You can throw it at me.
Okay, you throw it at me, I throw you.
Yeah.
Woo! Shoot up.
Bubble.
Woo! That is fun.
I show you how to swim.
Woo! That's a big spot. Whoa, I want to get a close-up of this. Yeah, again.
3, 2, 1.
Go! You don't have to go that far.